Want to grow a Zebra Haworthia at home? Well, in this video by The Daily Eco, we'll show you how to care for this beautiful plant. Light and location. Zebra Haworthias do best indoors in wide and shallow pots. They love bright light but avoid direct sun because it can scorch their leaves. You can grow them outdoors too, as long as the temperature stays above 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. And they are protected from intense sunlight. A lot of people bring their plants inside for the colder months and then they move them back outside in the spring and summer when it warms up. Watering. From spring through late summer, you'll want to water your Zebra Haworthia thoroughly, but not too frequently. Usually, once every 2 weeks is perfect. Just make sure the soil is completely dry before you water it again. Like other succulents, these plants store water in their leaves, so they can handle a little neglect. However, overwatering is a real danger, and it can lead to root rot and kill your plant. In the winter, you'll need to water even less. About once a month should be enough. Keep in mind they are much more susceptible to overwatering when it's cold. If you use a tray under your pot, which we generally don't recommend, make sure to pour out any excess water within 10 minutes of watering. This will help prevent root rot. Soil needs. This plant isn't picky about soil, but it needs good drainage. You can buy ready-made succulent soil or mix your own using half peat moss and half coarse sand. Adding perlite helps water drain better and keeps the roots healthy. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. What is a typical mature height of a Zebra Haworthia? 15 centimeters, 25 centimeters, or 35 centimeters? Think about it carefully, and at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. Fertilizer. Now let's talk about feeding the plant. While not essential, giving extra nutrients in spring and summer can help the plant grow stronger. You can use a special succulent fertilizer or worm castings. Reproduction. There are two ways to get more Zebra Haworthias. The easiest way is to remove the small plants, called pups, that grow around the base of the mother plant. You can gently take them off and plant them in their own pots. This helps both the new plants and the mother plant to thrive. You can also try growing new plants from leaves, but it's a bit more challenging. Use a clean knife to cut off a healthy leaf, about 5 centimeters or 2 inches long, and then let the canned end dry for a couple of days before planting it. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is A. Zebra Haworthias only grow about 15 centimeters or 6 inches tall. However, they can add beauty to any space. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant recommendations. Until next time.